In one of our team meetings today, a question was posed by a staff member about explaining the tiebreaker conundrum and what it means in family law custody cases. So I want to despise the notion that tiebreaker just means that one person gets to make all the decisions unilaterally. No. Tiebreaker means that both parties must have a reasonable conversation about an issue, a legal issue, which, by the way, is very specific things. It's not everything. It's not if we're going to drop off at this time or that time. It is religion, education, medical, those types of long-term decisions that parents usually have together, which is why parents 9 times out of 10 are granted joint legal custody. There are some rare occasions where, though, one party gets tiebreaker. So sometimes where I see it applies where, like, the one party is a nurse or a doctor, and so the judge gives them tiebreaker authority over medical issues, or there's been a history of showing up a history and a pattern of one parent just making those decisions in better judgment than the other parent. A host of other things that go into that analysis. But generally speaking, tiebreaker doesn't mean that the person just gets the decision-making authority. They have to have an open-ended conversation. So my advice to you is that if you're in a situation where the other party has tiebreaker authority, you want to make sure that a conversation is not only had, but documented adequately, and that both of you have said what the pros and the cons are on the sides that you're trying to agree on. Don't just say, oh, you get to make the decision or they get to make the decision because they are the tiebreaker. No, that's not how tiebreaker works. And actually the court is going to hold that person up to the law and say, did they make a reasonable decision based on all the facts presented to them? So that's one of the things to think about when you're hearing the phrase tiebreaker authority and or asking for it to be the decision in your case. I wanted to give you that tidbit. If you're in legal services in the state of Maryland or in the District of Columbia, please give my office a call, 240-493-9116 and www.amurphylegal.com. Thank you.
Angel Murphy, the family law attorney. Her office is where I began my journey. Angel Murphy, I love you, I thank you.